In this exercise, I'm going to use the command line parameters that I built in the last exercise to execute the package, not just validate it, using dtexec in the command prompt window. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is I need to get rid of this validate value right there, because I want to actually execute the package. So I have the execution options. I'll deselect that, and I can select anything else that I want to do. And then come back here to the command line, and now I'll just copy all of that. Next thing you need to do is open a command prompt, and then I'm going to execute dtexec. Now, assuming that installation of SQL Server went fine, that should be in the path variable, so I don't need to include an explicit path to it. And then I'll pass in those command line parameters that I copied. And I'll press enter, and it'll go out and execute the package, hopefully successfully. Now, I can scroll through all of this, and I of course need to make sure my buffer is big enough, which it isn't. So I got cut off some of the previous items, but I can expand that buffer in command prompt. But the important thing here is this right here, dtsir success, and a return value of 0. So that indicates that the package executed successfully and did whatever it is that it's designed to do. All right, now, the way this package works is that it puts the result of its work in the Windows event log. So I can use the Windows button there and type in View Event Logs. And come here to the Windows Logs and Application. And once that loads, there should be an item SQLIS Package 120. And it has all this information, and specifically the number of even rows and the number of odd rows of the roughly 120,000 rows that it counted in the sales order detail table. Okay, so there we have it. We know that the package executed successfully.